Human civilization has always been shaped by the search for knowledge, the pursuit of progress, and the desire to improve the quality of life. From the earliest times, when human beings discovered fire and invented the wheel, to the modern era of space exploration and artificial intelligence, the journey of mankind has been marked by discovery and innovation. Each generation has inherited the achievements of the past and added its own contributions, creating a continuous chain of growth and advancement. One of the most remarkable features of human progress is the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. History provides countless examples of societies that faced challenges such as famine, war, disease, or environmental change, and found creative solutions to survive. The agricultural revolution allowed people to settle in communities rather than live as nomads. The Industrial Revolution brought machines that multiplied human productivity many times over. The digital revolution has now connected people across the globe in ways that were once unimaginable. In every case, the capacity to learn, adapt, and innovate has ensured the survival and growth of humanity. At the same time, progress has always brought with it new questions and dilemmas. Scientific and technological advances solve many problems but also create fresh challenges. The discovery of fossil fuels powered industries but contributed to pollution and climate change. Medical innovations have extended human life, but rising populations have put pressure on resources. Social media has enabled instant communication, but it has also spread misinformation and created issues of privacy. These examples remind us that progress must be guided by wisdom, ethics, and foresight. Without moral direction, knowledge alone can lead to imbalance and harm. Another important dimension of human development is cooperation. No individual or nation can thrive in isolation. The greatest achievements of humanity, whether building great cities, exploring outer space, or eradicating diseases, have required collaboration. Even in everyday life, cooperation makes communities stronger and more resilient. The spirit of working together for the common good has been emphasized by philosophers, religious traditions, and leaders across centuries. It is often said that if you want to go fast, go alone. But if you want to go far, go together. This timeless wisdom continues to be relevant in the 21st century. The modern world faces challenges that are global in nature. Climate change, pandemics, terrorism, poverty, and inequality cannot be solved by any one country acting alone. They require collective action and shared responsibility. International organizations, treaties, and summits attempt to bring nations together, but success depends on genuine trust and commitment. Citizens also have a role to play, whether by adopting sustainable lifestyles, promoting tolerance, or participating in community service. Change begins at the individual level and spreads outward, creating ripples of positive impact. Culture is another element that defines human societies and gives meaning to life. Music, art, literature, and traditions connect people to their history and provide a sense of identity. While globalization has exposed individuals to a variety of cultures, it has also created concerns about cultural homogenization. Preserving local languages, customs, and heritage is essential, not only for diversity but also for wisdom. Each culture carries insights that can enrich the entire human family. Respect for different traditions fosters peace and harmony, reducing conflict and misunderstanding. Looking to the future, many experts believe that the 21st century will be defined by innovation in science and technology, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and space exploration are opening possibilities that were once considered science fiction. Yet, the question remains, how will humanity use these powers? Will they be applied for the benefit of all? Or will they deepen inequalities and conflicts? The answer depends on choices made today. Ethical frameworks, inclusive policies, and responsible leadership will be critical in ensuring that progress uplifts humanity rather than dividing it. Ultimately, the story of human civilization is one of both triumphs and trials. We have built magnificent monuments, written timeless poetry, and discovered the secrets of nature. At the same time, we have witnessed wars, exploitation, and environmental destruction. The lessons of history urge us to be humble and vigilant. Progress is not guaranteed. It requires effort, responsibility, and vision. Every individual has a role to play, whether as a student, worker, parent, or leader. Each small act of honesty, kindness, and dedication contributes to the larger fabric of society. In conclusion, the journey of humanity continues with both challenges and opportunities ahead. Education, cooperation, cultural preservation, Ethical responsibility and sustainability are guiding lights that can shape a better future. The destiny of our world will not be determined by technology alone, but by the values and choices of its people. If humanity can combine knowledge with wisdom, power with compassion, and progress with justice, then the future will be bright and secure. The responsibility rests with all of us, and the time to act is now.